All of the attorneys that work here are not only extraordinarily talented and intelligent and trained and have advanced degrees, but no one works here if they're not kind and compassionate and understand that the people that are coming are under a lot of stress. So we understand that. We work with you. You don't have to be totally prepared. If you don't have everything you need, we will get it from you later. So just the idea is come on in, let's have a talk, and we can show you then how we can help you. We try wherever possible to give a flat fee for a project that we're going to undertake, and we are very clear with the client in writing and in person what that project entails. So wherever possible, we send a fee schedule. We say this is what we're going to do, this is exactly what it'll cost, regardless of how many meetings we have, telephone calls, letters, emails, etc. The stress is phenomenal. So I take great pride and consider it a privilege to help people solve these problems and to hear those magic words, "Thank you, I feel better."